Today, practice English shadowing through a simple, mysterious story.
Listen, repeat, and let the sentences flow naturally.
You'll learn useful English phrases as Mara faces something strange.
Mara stood outside the old music hall in the rain.
Tomorrow, she would play violin there before hundreds of people.
5 years earlier, she'd frozen on the same stage.
Since then, she'd been stuck in the past.
That old silence was always on her mind.
She could still remember one nervous cough from the audience.
At home, Mara would go over it again.
Tonight, she also began to expect the worst.
What if her hands shook? What if she forgot?
Soon, her imagination began to get carried away.
She pictured broken strings, laughter, even the lights failing.
She walked outside to take her mind off tomorrow.
A tiny clock shop glowed at the corner.
Inside, an elderly clockmaker named Elias poured her tea.
Tomorrow, I still have to go through with it, Mara said.
Elias smiled. Then take it one step at a time.
He placed a strange silver clock before her.
It had 2 buttons, but no hands.
Left shows yesterday. Right shows tomorrow, Elias explained.
Mara pressed left and the shop disappeared.
She stood again beneath those terrible stage lights.
Her younger self missed the first note.
Mara pressed right, desperate to escape the old scene.
Now she saw tomorrow's stage, empty and dark.
Then imagined faces appeared, laughing before she even played.
Mara breathed quickly as both scenes began switching.
How do I make peace with yesterday? She cried.
Elias's voice answered, "First, let it go."
And tomorrow? Mara shouted as the scenes changed faster.
We'll cross that bridge when we come to it.
Then where am I supposed to be? Mara asked.
Right here, right now, Elias said softly.
The music hall vanished, and Mara smelled warm tea.
Rain tapped the window. Her chair felt solid.
Mara noticed what was actually happening around her.
The silver clock stopped shaking in her hands.
Mara smiled. I can deal with it tomorrow.
Exactly. And tonight, you can simply be here.
She finally decided to give herself a break.
The next morning, Mara returned to the music hall.
She played clearly, then hurried back through the rainy streets.
Elias's shop was gone, but Mara chose to move forward.
Mara learned from yesterday without letting it control today.
You also heard useful phrases through the story's natural context.
Shadow the story again and repeat each line aloud.
Notice the rhythm, the phrases, and how the story flows.
Keep practicing, stay present, and enjoy your English progress.